During a tennis match in 2010 at the Australian Open, legendary with a fan who couldn't stop his hiccups. Instead of getting annoyed, Federer joined the audience in giving the fan a huge round of applause when the hiccups finally stopped. It was a humorous moment that showed Federer's good-natured personality. Who knew hiccups could make it to center court? The crowd erupted into laughter and cheers, captivated by this unexpected twist in the match. Roger, always the showman, kept the playful spirit alive, proving that even in competition, joy matters.